How to log out of Discord on all devices. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to log out of Discord on all devices, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Discord application on my computer. So now when I'm on Discord, then I will need to come down here and click where it says user settings. As of right now, there's no button on Discord that you can click on to automatically log you out of all devices, but there is another way to fix this issue, so keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So what you need to do next is to click where it says My Account. What you will need to do when you have come to this page is to click where it says Change Password. Then you will be taken here. Just change your password by following these instructions, and when you're done filling everything out, then you can click on done. What will happen then is that you will be logged out of all other devices because you have now changed your Discord password, so the system will want you to log back into your Discord account with the new password. So basically, by doing this, you will automatically log out of Discord on all devices by doing this exact thing that I just showed you. So let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.